We have my buddy's Corvette C8 with the modified FI exhaust. There's a slight problem. Let's give him error codes and we're gonna fix that with these things. The problem is that this exhaust only comes with 2 controllers. Now, as you can see, there's 2 tips on this side, which means there's 2 tips on the other side. The stock one has 4 controllers. 2 does not equal 4, which is why we have to add these 2 more to get it to stop throwing error codes on the dash. First thing to do is pop your little trunk open, and then you're gonna want to remove these twist clips on each side. There's 4 of them, 2 in the top, 2 on the bottom. Go ahead and pull that carpet lining back, and we gotta get access to that panel. My buddy just adhesived this right here to help insulate the heat this way towards the engine side, so you don't have to worry about it melting your groceries or your laptop when you throw it back here as much. It's not like a full, like, you're good, but it's a better. With your trusty T15 bit in hand. Okay, we gotta find where they are. I don't think those are it.
Yeah, that's it.
Really? That's it? Oh yeah, that is the wire. That's the cable you're talking about. If you look underneath the exhaust, when we look up, there is this cable. And that cable is where one of the sensor plugs are plugged into. See that guy right there? That is one of the controllers for the exhaust.
All right.
Now we just gotta find the other ones in here.
All right, we're in. Okay, so this is the wire. We're going down. I don't know. That just holds the clip in. I don't know. Do you guys see anything?
Editing Brandon here. Now that I can look at the clip over, if you look at the top right, you can actually see a red little locking tab. This is what we should have been looking for. All we needed to do was push that brown clip out of place and then use some kind of long little pokey thing to push that red locking tab out of place, and then we could have pulled this little wiring harness up, plugged in the thing, and would have been good to go. It was right in front of us. Instead, we made our lives a lot harder.
I definitely do not see anything. Did we find it? Is that red clip?
Just the camera saw it, and I didn't. I should have been checking the video feed, and if I was, I would have been able to see that red clip. From below though, it is impossible to see or put our hand in. Also from atop, it is very hard to move our hand in there. Not a lot of working space because of the panels that won't remove. Plugged into it, like I can see what it is.
And then if we look on the other side real quick, this clip was actually easily removable. Brett was able to put his hand on there, unclip it, and pull it out very fast.
I think there is something plugged into it because it looks like it already has like a red clip in it. Because it was actually already plugged into something, we didn't know if unplugging it and then plugging in one of our little loop back bits was gonna cause any error. And because of that, we didn't want to do anything to the other side yet. We thought we're gonna unplug this one, which we did. We plugged in our little OBD loop back hack thing and left it sitting there. Now we're at the front with the scan tool. And shout out to Aaron Rittenhouse, guys. I have his video playing on the side of the screen. It'll be in the description below the like button. It helped us navigate our scanner's menu. We were kind of clueless here. We basically went in and we had the exhaust system be relearned, and then we just have to drive it. So we drove it around for about 20 minutes. We tested out remote start from the phone, but it didn't work out the right way. We tested it and it turned off immediately. And then when we got in the car,
there's a check engine light.
no. So it was fine for the rest of the drive, like on the way here though. That should mean the plug that we put on that one side worked. We just gotta put it on the other side, which means that it is worth it to lift the car. Maybe. So some of the codes went away, huh?
Yeah, so we have less codes now.
So we gotta lift the car now to the other side.
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, you never should have. The stock exhaust was fine. You didn't have to play around with it.
I absolutely need to play around with it.
No, then it causes problems. You should have learned that from your Tesla.
There's 0 problems caused.
Corvette, why you gotta use 7 mils, bro?
Did I undo
All 50 volts.
I think that's the piece I was concerned about.
That was the piece you were concerned about. Be concerned no longer, bro.
Yeah, so you should be able to stick your hand in places I want you to stick your hand in.
It is sensor time. So this is what tricks the OBD sensor, something like that. And we are now going to plug it into the part that we removed. So let's go check that out. Part that we want to get access to is this plug right here, the black one. So if you're doing this, make sure the car cools down after you drive. We're gonna go ahead and grab that, plug it from here, and then plug it back into our little trick sensor thing. And after like 20 minutes of struggling down here, we realized we could just pull this wire, now that was disconnected, up through the back.
Dude.
That clip right there, and then this clip right here. If you undo those and then just pull it straight up, you don't have to go through the bottom part. I mean, you still have to take the bottom part out to undo the clips, but once you undo it, you don't have to struggle underneath the car. What?
Hopefully this is right. I don't know, we'll see.
Turns out luck was on our side and we put it in the right way, and the only thing that came off was the cover for it. So we snapped the cover back on and it was fine.
So the next step is to clear the codes, and then we're gonna go take it on another drive. Slight problem though. The trunk used to have a soft close mechanism, so when you drop it, it would suck itself slowly back in. Doesn't do that anymore. Hopefully that has to do with the carpet we took out for some reason and not the plug. Because if it has to do with one of the plugs being plugged in, we don't know what we're gonna do, because we don't want the check engine light on, but we also want that soft close capability. It's gonna suck if it's a trade-off. Obviously we're gonna have it in favor of not having the check engine light, but obviously we also want the soft close capability. Yeah, it doesn't do it. So far on our drive, we got no check engine light, but the real test will be when we stop and remote start it.
Second time remote starting from the app that Brett has today, and this time the car stayed on. Very promising.
No error codes?
No.
We're good. We're clear of the codes, so our plug worked. We did it. Oof.
Weird.
Not great. So it opens, moment of truth again. It sucks it in. So apparently you just need to cycle it with the key and you'll be good. We did it! No more error codes on the Corvette, and we got the soft close back, the most important thing. So we're good. If you want to see more Corvette mods, we have a few more coming to this car. Car started. All right, now we just let it. Yeah, and it's staying on.
Yeah.
So that means we're good. Fully good. So if you want to see more Corvette mods, more BMW mods, Tesla mods, Alfa Romeo mods, we're doing a bunch of stuff on this channel. This is my buddy's car, and now that I live up here, we're gonna be doing more with this one as well. So get subscribed if you want to see a bunch more cool stuff or see me struggle to modify cars.